Hello. So we're glad you are joining us today. We're going to demonstrate PDF2ID Professional Suite 2024, which we exhibited at Adobe Max 2023. PDF2ID Professional Suite allows anyone to convert and edit PDF documents in InDesign and also work with PowerPoint files in InDesign. And it's just a couple of clicks that's required. Here we have Adobe InDesign 2024 running, and we need to natively work with PDF and PowerPoint files in it. The trick is to use the Recosoft menu that is added into Adobe InDesign and use either the DecksMoveIn convert PowerPoint file or PDF2ID convert PDF XPS file. So use the DecksMoveIn command to work with PowerPoint files in InDesign. Then to manipulate a PDF, use the PDF2ID command. Let's see both of these in action. So let's manipulate a PDF in InDesign first, and we choose the PDF2ID convert PDF file command. Pick a PDF to work with, open, and just click OK. And in a few seconds, you'll notice that the PDF will be converted into a InDesign file with all the text, vectors, graphics, tables, all native. Here we have the converted output. This is native InDesign text. This is real image linked back into InDesign. And if you notice, there are real tables here also. So scrolling down further, you'll notice, again, there's lots of all data that's all native. If you look at the original Adobe PDF file, you notice this is the document with the tables and text, and you scroll further, all these things are intact. So now let's work with a PowerPoint file in InDesign. And here again, we click on the Recosoft menu and choose DecksMoveIn, convert PowerPoint file, and pick a PowerPoint file to work with. Click open, click OK, and the PowerPoint is converted natively to the InDesign type. And you notice the text is all live and editable. The images are linked back in. All the graphics are live. You can manipulate all of this all you want, as you can see. If you scroll down further, you'll notice all the text is it there. The graphics are there. These are real lines with arrowheads. Go to PowerPoint. Let's go to PowerPoint, observe the original PowerPoint file. Again, you notice it's just intact. Everything is the same. So PDF2ID and DecksMoveIn are both plugins for Adobe InDesign, and these tools allow you to automate your workflow so that you can remain creative using InDesign. To find out more about PDF2ID Professional Suite, visit www.recosoft.com. Thank you for watching. Bye.